I learned English at home in 30 days. How my phone helped me speak English in a month. My name is Sophia, and I am from Italy. It all started with one Instagram post. I was 16, sitting in my room when I saw a post from a famous influencer. The post said, "Dream big, learn English, and the world will open up for you." I stared at the words, wishing I could understand everything she wrote. My classmates could sing English songs and watch Hollywood movies without subtitles, but I couldn't even introduce myself. That night, I downloaded a free English learning app and promised myself, I will learn this language no matter what it takes. My mornings changed. Instead of wasting time on TikTok, I started watching English YouTube channels. The first video I watched was about ordering coffee. The woman in the video said, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" She said it with a bright smile. I paused the video and repeated after her, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" I practiced everywhere, at home, on the bus, and even in school. My friends laughed and asked, "Why are you talking to yourself?" I smiled and said, "You will see one day." I saw a challenge online. Post a video speaking English for 30 days. I was scared. What if people laughed at my accent? What if my grammar was wrong? But then I thought about my dreams to travel and meet new people. I took my phone and made a short video. "Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm learning English. This is my first video." The video got 12 likes. I felt embarrassed but also proud. It was my first step. My days became very busy. I went to school, helped my family, and then studied English at night. I used every tool I could find: apps, flashcards, podcasts, and online quizzes. One night, I joined a free Zoom class with people from all over the world. There was a girl from Mexico, a boy from Brazil, and a woman from Japan. When it was my turn to speak, my voice shook. Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. Nice to meet you. Sophia, they all said. I smiled. My English wasn't perfect, but I felt good. Their kindness made me brave. By the end of the call, I was smiling and talking in my simple English. At 18, I got my first chance to test my English in real life. A tourist couple stopped me on the street and asked, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest cafe is?" I froze for a second. My heart was beating fast. Then I said, "Go straight and turn right. The park is there." "Thank you," they said as they walked away. I felt like a hero. I had spoken in English in real life. I made many funny mistakes while learning. At a party, I wanted to say, "I'm going to the kitchen," but instead I said, "I'm going to the chicken." The guests looked confused and asked, "Are you going to eat the chicken?" I laughed and corrected myself, saying, No, the kitchen." I laughed too. Mistakes were part of learning. At 19, I shared my English journey on TikTok. My first video showed me saying simple sentences like, "What's your name?" and "How are you?" To my surprise, the video got many likes. People from around the world commented, "You're so brave. Keep going." I'm learning too. Their support motivated me to create more content. Soon, I had thousands of followers and even received messages from other learners asking for tips. Last year, I applied for an internship at an international company. During the interview, the manager asked me, "Why do you want this job?" I took a deep breath and said, "Because I believe English is not just a language. It's a key to opportunities, and I want to grow." She smiled and said, "Your English is impressive. Welcome to the team." I couldn't believe it. I had done it. Now, I work as an English tutor. I help children and adults who feel scared, just like I did before. Now you're watching this. Remember, you are not wasting your time. You are learning. You are studying. This is your win. While others are just watching fun videos, you are on your way to something great. Keep learning and keep moving forward. When my students say their first English sentences, I feel proud. I tell them, don't be afraid. Mistakes are proof of your trying. If I can learn, so can you.